Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, JenniedaKat, and I'll be voice acting every TDC character. Disclaimer, there are going to be loud noises, so for sensitive ears, I'd recommend if you lower your volume in some parts because they're gonna be loud and, well, I hope you have fun hearing my voiceovers. I worked like 2 days on it.
Hey, hey, Pomni, I was wondering if you're doing okay. I'm really sorry about what happened to Gamigo, so I made this comfort blanket for you. I hope this helps. Hey, Kane, I was wondering, what if we tried a new adventure on softball? Or maybe one that includes horses? I love horses in softball, and I would really like that. Thank you, Kane. Oh, Kinger, what? You lost your centipedes. Oh God, well, where did you lose them? In my room? Oh, Kinger! Oh, Kinger, it's not your fault. No. Oh my God, it's the fact that I hate centipedes. Oh my God, to hear. I miss my horses. And then I have to go to dancing lessons and do music and, what did I have to do? Yeah, and those writing chit-chat. Ugh, whatever. Look, Gangle, you shouldn't be too hard on yourselves. Jax did what he had to, and it's not your fault. Also, your mask doesn't define you, okay? Just keep on being yourself and talk about anime with me. What do you say? We watch My Hero Academia? Come on now. Let's go. Jax, will you stop microwaving Pomni for no reason whatsoever? Why are you doing that? Okay. Like you! That's fitting for you. But I'm just saying, maybe Kane's adventures aren't that bad. It suits you, really. Yeah. Oh, what the hell? Yeah. I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate my life.
You know, things aren't really bad. When you're with me, Zubul, I have a lot of fun without my sad mask, and it's really nice, you know? Well, let's go kill Ponyo and Jax now, shall we? Oh, and can we get the Tommy gun while we're at there? I love Tommy guns. They're so fun. No. Not funny business like that is gonna happen around here. I'm calling up our management. It's called a Manic episode, and you're getting 3 more seasons. Rakita, can you be on my team? I don't want Jax to be on my team. He always breaks my comedy mask, and he just broke mine. I can do this. I just need to swing the ball, right? Okay, thank you.
Try not thinking about it too much. Hey Ryan, have you seen my centipedes? I went to your room and I accidentally dropped the box and now they're lost. I don't know where I put them. Can you help me find them? Oh, they're right there. What? Oh my God. Do you hate yourself? I used to hate myself too. I thought I was the cause of my wife's abstraction. Pomni, I miss my wife. I miss my wife very much. Wait, Jax, why are you leaving? You know we need all the help we can, so come on, please.
I'm afraid of corn, so what? Everyone has phobias. What does it matter? No, I spent a whole day with that King guy, so you should probably give me some respect or something.
Do you have any secret hobbies?
When we hold our breath, Kinger starts glowing, Ragata's hair noodles stick up, Giggle's mask starts spinning, and Zilbul turns straight. And you change colors, Pomni.
You know, Pomni,
You're pretty cool to hang out with. Don't tell anyone I said that. I'll ruin my reputation, okay? Hear me? Seriously, Ribbit. Thanks for literally everything. And you're pretty cool to hang out with, you know? Yeah.
You know, Gangle, if you want me to close up after you, I can totally do that. Don't worry. You can leave if you want. Hey, Kane, I was wondering if could we have the stargazing adventure again and maybe bring Jack's tendon? I'd really like that. Oh, okay. Hey, Jax. Today's adventure was actually fun. It's just that I miss you a lot, you know, and it just always. You know, we could just be a team and be winners, you know. Me being all chaotic evil was funny after all. Great. Thanks a lot for the information that I didn't even know. Can you please shut up? What is wrong with you, huh? Do you want something? Do you have no common sense at all? You know what? They'd rather abstract than go on your adventures, Keen. Yeah, you're pretty worthless. No one likes you. No. What am I doing here? Bleh. My whole purpose is to stare at you to freak you out. You know why? Because it's funny. I do everything because it's funny. Because I'm the funny one. Yeah, I saw Jack say that to Pommy. You should throw a freaking beach party. I like beach parties. Beach parties are fun. I like to eat the shrimp at UC's. Wow, I'm in the bathrooms. I'm gonna eat the walls to escape. Yay!
Oh, Kinger, I need you for something. Can you come here for a sec? And the only thing I'm good at is making adventures. And what you're saying, if I'm not good at the thing that I do, and did someone say adventure? Bleh. Well, let's get right into the show. They can't hate me. I do everything for them. I spent my soul into making these adventures for them, and they just hate it? How could they just do that? His acting is quite phenomenal. It's hard to believe that he's vegan. Bubble, we don't say Daddy Bubble to newcomers in the circus. Oh, Zubul, you mismatched cat piano, I'll tear you to pieces! Oh, wait, sorry.
I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. I'm no abstraction. I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. You won't get the